Welcome children to the maths lecture, and here we are solving miscellaneous problem set 2. 6 questions we have completed. Today we will be beginning with question number 7. All of you see the question in your book. I will read the question for you. The diameter of the wheel of a cart is 1.05 meter. How much distance will the cart cover in 1000 rotations of the wheel? Means bullock cart, all of you must be knowing, the wheel of the cart is circular. It is circular in shape. So we have to find that in 1000 rotation, means 1000 times the wheel rotates, how much distance it covers if its diameter, if the diameter of the wheel is 1.05 meter. So a distance covered in one rotation will be equal to circumference of the wheel, because it is circular in shape. So write the answer along with me. I'll write. Diameter of wheel D is equal to 1.05 meter. Correct, children? Then distance covered in one rotation, distance covered in one rotation of wheel is equal to circumference of wheel is equal to circumference of wheel, which equals pi d. Circumference of the wheel is pi d, since d is given. Pi is taken as 22 upon 7 multiplied by 1.05, that is meters. 1.05 meters. When you multiply and divide by 7, you get the answer as 3.3 meter. The answer is 3.3 meter. Now answer means distance covered in one rotation is 3.3. So we have to find distance covered in 1000 rotation. So therefore distance covered in 1000 rotations is equal to 1000 multiplied by 3.3 meters. So multiplication gives us 3300 meters. 10 will vanish due to decimal point, right? So this will be equal to 3300 upon 1000 kilometer, which equals 3.3 kilometer. So the answer is distance covered in 1000 rotations is 3.3 kilometer. So answer is 3.3 kilometer. Take down the sum. Very simple it is. Okay, fine. Now let us move on to sum number 8. The area of a rectangular garden of length 40 meter is 1000 square meter. Means area is given The shape of the garden is rectangle and its length is given. Find the breadth of the garden. You have to find the breadth and its perimeter. The garden is to be enclosed by 3 rounds of fencing, leaving an entrance of 4 meter. Find the cost of fencing the garden at the rate of rupees 250 per meter. So children, first we will find the breadth, then we will find the perimeter, then the complete circumference we will is given, we have to find, and then from that 4 meter is to be deducted because it is the opening entrance, and then we have to find the remaining fencing cost at rupees 250 per meter. So let us begin one by one. 2-3 questions are asked in the same question. Okay. First we'll write the given thing. Sum number 8. Length of rectangular garden is equal to, how much it is given? 40 meter. 40 meter. Then its area is given 1000 square meter, right? Now therefore area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Area we know 1000, length we know 40, breadth we do not know. So therefore breadth is equal to 1000 divided by 40, that is 25 meter. So breadth is how much? 25 meter. So from length and breadth we can find the perimeter now. Perimeter is asked. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice L plus B. So this gives us answer twice 40 plus 25, which equals twice 65, which gives you answer 130 meter. So for 2 questions we have completed. One is breadth, we got it as 25 meter. Secondly, perimeter of the rectangle is 130 meter, that is perimeter of rectangular garden is 130 meter. Now we have to find the cost of fencing. So I'll wrap the upper part. I think you have finished perimeter also. Now length of one round of fence is equal to circumference circumference of garden minus width of entrance. That you get as, you got perimeter as 130, that is the circumference. So 130 minus 4 is the width of entrance. So it gives you answer 126 meter. So 126 meter one round. So total how many rounds of fencing? Directly total only will find. Total length. Total length of fencing is equal to 3 multiplied by 126. Let us multiply. 6 3s are 18, 8, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 3 1s are 3. That is 378 meters. Now therefore, total cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 250 per meter is equal to 378 multiplied by 250. This gives me answer as 94,500 gives me answer. Therefore, cost of fencing is rupees 94,500. So 94,500 will be the cost of fencing, leaving 4 meter of entrance in the garden fence. So this is the complete 8th answer now. So 4 questions were asked. We have completed all the 4 questions of the same 8th one, right? So till now we have studied so much, 8 sums. Practice them again. Further sums we will be learning in our next video lecture. Thank you.